So, long story short, after cleaning the plunger inside, it seems like it took care of the most leaks. So let's spray it and see if it will bubble. No bubbles. Equal air. Off. On. No leaks. So let's do continuity test right now. Under air pressure, it should show continuity.